Hello guys, in this tutorial we will tell you how you can provide access to Google Play Android Developer API. Open Play Console, locate the Setup section and then click on API Access. On the API Access page, you will see your created service account listed under the Service Account section. Now you can grant access to provide the service account the necessary rights to perform actions. Click on View Access to manage permissions. Under permissions, you can select the app and areas of the Play Console that the user has access to. Here you will see the App and Account Permission tabs. Within in-app permissions, you can grant permissions for individual apps or you can use account permissions to grant access to all apps. Now in the Account Permissions tab, select the permissions you want to grant to the users for apps in your developer account. Please note, if you select admin, then users will get all other permissions for your developer account. Once you have selected the permissions, click on the Save Changes button. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.